Hi, welcome to Cerebration's YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be exploring what we can do to promote psychological safety in the workplace. In case you missed it, in our previous video, we looked at why psychological safety is important for innovating and how psychological safety impacts performance. There are plenty of significant benefits to working in a psychologically safe environment for the individual, teams, and for the organization. By implementing practices that help foster psychological safety, you can transform your working environment. Some practices that promote psychological safety are: focus on team performance rather than individual performance. This helps teams to see themselves as multidisciplinary employees of varying titles, which helps individuals feel more comfortable contributing to groups. By valuing individuals' contributions to teams and assessing whether the team meets its goal rather than the individual accomplishment relative to the team's performance, success centers around how well knowledge is shared and whether the team achieves its goals. Managers should promote the idea of team performance over individual performance to encourage collaboration and ultimately psychological safety, since individuals are more likely to fear failure when working by themselves. Focus on team learning rather than individual learning. Promoting learning around teams enables psychological safety, improving overall learning and performance. By making learning a collaborative endeavour rather than an individual one, individuals feel comfortable asking for help, experimenting alongside their teams, and seeking feedback. Learning should be focused on helping individuals learn skills that develop autonomy and teamwork through interactive learning engagements that are centered around dialogue and discussion. Promote leadership behaviours that support psychological safety. Have leaders focus on improving employee well-being in the workplace. Well-being at work has the greatest impact on psychological safety over emotional, health, and financial well-being. Cultivate career conversations, which creates a space for individuals to discuss their career aspirations and help managers ascertain the level of career satisfaction. Encourage the sharing of mistakes and failures rather than discouraging risk-taking. Promote sharing a failure by responding to the good and the bad with similar appreciation. Promote open dialogue-based communication that invites input from individuals. It is particularly important to make time to understand the different communication styles and thinking preferences that individuals might have. Assessments like HBDI paired with whole brain thinking workshops can help support your team to better understand the diversity of thinking preferences and communication styles each individual has. Encourage both personal and professional dialogue between peers to increase trust and transparency. Support leaders to better understand that errors are not always associated with poor performance and not all failure is negative. Psychological safety is essential to encourage employees to bring their authentic selves to work and to create an inclusive environment where everyone can thrive. This not only impacts individual and team performance, but ultimately benefits the entire organisation. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for further content.